Hey guys, Pete from London Camera Exchange. Earlier this year we saw Fujifilm release their flagship CSC camera to the market with the X-H1. This brought some stunning performance, as well as when coupled with the XF lenses some amazing optic quality. I'd now like to introduce you to its baby brother, the X-T100. Weighing in at just 448 grams and housing a 24.2 megapixel APS-C size sensor, the X-T100 is small enough to become someone's ideal travel companion and mighty enough to capture some outstanding image quality. Whether you are new to photography or a seasoned pro, you can always feel safe knowing that the X-T100 will capture the image you want. The focusing is quick and precise when combining the face detection AF points along with the newly developed autofocus algorithm. These features were originally seen in Fujifilm's flagship X series of cameras and provide you with an intelligent hybrid AF system that ensures beautiful photographic moments instantly. The SR Plus Auto mode now combines subject and scene recognition, making the X-T100 perfect and easy to use for anyone starting off in photography. We were lucky enough to be allowed access to Horsebridge Station in Stockbridge to take a look around before heading off for a weekend away camping. I was armed and issued with a black X-T100 and the included 15 to 45mm power zoom lens. The X-T100's sleek retro design with its metallic top cover fits comfortably in your hand while shooting. Something I was really pleased to see included in the box was the additional hand grip, which resulted in a more sturdy and confident handling. The simple 3-dial layout makes the X-T very approachable for anyone new to photography, but it gives you the settings adjustments to take full manual control with ease. A high resolution electronic viewfinder means you will never miss a shot even when out in the sun. The EVF was bright and clear, allowing me to frame my shots and check settings quickly. You can also use the 3-way tilting LCD screen. With touch capabilities, changing your focus area or looking back through your photos is simple and intuitive. For anyone wanting to take a selfie or vlog, the screen flips out perfectly for a clear view while shooting. Video recording is up to 4K at 15p, which left me a little bit puzzled at first. But when clicking through the menu, I came across Fujifilm's 4K time-lapse mode, which utilises this frame rate. For anyone wanting to shoot normal video, you can capture movies up to Full HD at 60p, or high-speed video up to 4 times slower. You can get creative with Fujifilm's 11 film simulations, and also the 17 advanced filter modes, all pre-installed. This allows you to add advanced artistic flair with ease, all without the need of a computer. Once you have captured your moment, sharing your images is effortless due to the built-in low-energy Bluetooth connection that can automatically transfer your images seamlessly via the dedicated Fujifilm app. Battery life is impressive too on this little beast. Fujifilm are quoting up to 430 shots per charge, and I love the way you can charge the X-T100 via micro USB, making it perfect for anyone out and about who has restricted access to a mains power supply. You can simply hook the X-T up to a power bank and continue on with your adventures. The X-T100 is available in 3 colour options: black, dark silver and champagne gold, so you can choose the colour that suits your style. For any more information, click on the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.